profile picture. So if this video helps you, be sure to like the real smoothie to the video just like that. So if this video helped you, as I said, like subscribe. And yeah, enough talk. It's not a TikTok app on your mobile phone or also on your computer, it doesn't matter. And yeah, it should look something like this for you once it loads up. It should take a bit, but I'll get back to you once it finishes. So yeah, it should look something like this. Then what you need to do is at the bottom right corner, click on your profile picture, like profile here, verse type profile, or the buttons. Here, as you see here, this is going to be your account. What you simply need to do is click on edit profile here, and then it's going to take you to here, and then click on change photo, click on this camera thingy, and then select if you want to take a photo or select from gallery or view photos. So I hope this video helped you. Have a fantastic day.